$6,000 bill just landed on the desk of a small business owner who was paying less than $600 for the exact same service only a few years ago. That is not an error or a weird glitch. It is the new normal for people using the most famous accounting software on the planet in 2026. We are seeing a massive shift where loyalty is being rewarded with a 75% price hike over just 3 years. People are filing federal consumer complaints and venting their frustrations on every review site they can find. It feels like being backed into a corner. You have this industry giant that controls 85% of the market. They know how hard it is for you to switch. They gate basic features like inventory tracking behind expensive monthly plans. If you want to give your employees specific permissions, you have to pay for a top-tier subscription that feels more like a car payment than a software fee. Then you have the transaction fees. Some businesses are losing nearly $20,000 a year just to process their payments through the system. It is a constant drain on your resources. But there is another way that most people ignore because it does not have a multi-million-dollar advertising budget. It is a tool called Manager. This software provides full double-entry accounting at zero cost. There are no subscriptions. There are no user limits. There is no expiration date. It supports over 80 languages and handles multiple currencies with ease. It runs completely offline, which means your sensitive financial data stays on your machine, not in a cloud you do not control. Users are rating it 4.8 out of 5, which is actually higher than the premium desktop versions of the big-name competitors. It is not perfect though. The interface looks like something from 20 years ago. It does not offer automatic bank feeds or integrated payroll. You have to do more of the heavy lifting yourself. But for a solo operator or a budget-conscious startup, that trade-off is becoming very attractive. You have to ask yourself if those automated features are really worth several $1,000s a year. The big players are betting that you are too busy to look for an alternative. They are banking on your exhaustion. If you have a massive team and complex integrations, you might be tethered to the expensive option for a while longer. Just know that the price will likely go up again next year. It is a fascinating battle between a corporate machine and a free, functional tool. One wants every penny you have, while the other just wants to help you balance your books. Every cent you save on overhead is a cent you can reinvest in your own vision. It is time to stop viewing these high prices as an unavoidable tax on doing business. There are legitimate paths to keeping your money in your pocket where it belongs. This is about taking control of your financial stack before the next price increase hits your inbox. Do not wait for the bill to triple again. Look at what you actually need versus what you are being sold. The choice is yours. Every dollar you keep is a dollar you can put back into your own growth. Keep questioning the tools you use and do not let marketing speak hide the real cost of doing business. Your ledger should work for you, not the other way around.